Assalamu alaikum. Please turn on subtitles by clicking the CC icon. No. Find TEALHR/2022/04 dated October 21, 2022. Handing over and taking over company vehicle. Vehicle detail is as under. A. Vehicle no. B. Model. C. Year. D. Color, white. E. Registration no. F. Engine no. G. Chassis no. Handing over. I. Mr. Ali TPT Supervisor as the current custodian/in charge of above-mentioned company vehicle, is hereby officially hand over the said vehicle to Mr. Hamza Ali Senior Lab Manager in the Chemical Department W.E.F. October 21, 2022 under the following terms and conditions. 1. The above-mentioned vehicle is being transferred to you in its current condition. Before handing it over, I ensured that it is in good working order and has undergone routine maintenance. 2. I am handing over all relevant documents including the vehicle registration, maintenance records, and any other necessary paperwork. Signature of handing over. Taking over. I, Hamza Ali Senior Lab Manager in the Chemical Department, acknowledge the receipt of the above-mentioned company vehicle from Mr. Ali TPT Supervisor, and confirm that I am taking over custodianship of the vehicle as of October 21, 2022. I agree to assume all responsibilities associated with the vehicle during its assignment to me. I have inspected the vehicle and verified that all relevant documents, including the vehicle registration, maintenance records, and any other necessary paperwork have been handed over to me. I commit to using the company vehicle responsibility and in accordance with the company's vehicle usage policy. I will ensure its proper maintenance, report any damages or issues promptly, and comply with all applicable laws and regulations related to its use. Signature of taking over. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get updates of new videos. A link is available in the description to copy the text of this video. Thanks for watching my video.